Honey, do we have any bread or milk?
No, honey, we ran out. We need to go to the store before it gets all bought out.
Oh! We have to eat bread and milk! Bread and milk!
What is up, ladybugs and gentle pigs? I'm out for a little winter day adventure. Just gonna set up a tarp, build a fire, cook a steak, just like we did a couple of years ago in our other winter day out. Oh. Got about 1.5 inches on the ground. It's snowing again. It's about noon. I would have been out here earlier, but woke up with a migraine, so it is what it is. Let's show you what we're looking at. Birch, 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 birch. So that's probably, we're gonna burn some of that. Cook our fire. Out here next to a little hidden lake. Thought about setting up here underneath this, but I don't want to have to trim limbs high up to keep the fire from burning it. So back up the slippery hill. A normal thing, but there's all these bricks and stuff. So I'm gonna build a fire ring with a nice reflector out of these bricks. Have a good time. All right. Got our fire started. The bricks are frozen. Got our fire started. Bricks are frozen to the ground. Tarp is set up, but yeah, bricks are frozen to the ground, so can't get them out. We'll have to do that later. Fire started though. Some more wood process over there. Pack's hung right there. We're sitting in our trio chair, relaxing, waiting for the fire to build up. It's a good day, huh? You might be wondering what we have for our lunchy poo. Well, we have some of this mix I made. It's just rice and corn and all kinds of goodness, black-eyed peas. Hydrates pretty well in a pot. And we got us a steak. A nice steak seasoning on it. It's gonna be scrumptious if we can ever get this fire going. It's been a minute since we've been out here, especially in the snow, so it's a struggle, but we'll show you how we're doing. So she's going, but just barely. So we'll see how it goes. All right, all right. Oh, got my jacket hanging up. My waterproof jacket hanging up. Dry Falcon by Maxpediton. Well, chilling. Got our food boiled, rehydrated. Got a steak on. Coat's still hanging there. If you hang up your coat on outside of your tarp, make sure you zip it up to ensure the inside stays dry. Got my gloves and other random gear I don't want wet. Right there. Axe has been real useful. And then we got an awesome saw. Pack still hanging up. Oh, forgot to close the zipper. Got to close the zipper. Gotta get up our trash. Oh, that steak smells so good, man. Here's what we're looking at. That's where we're chilling all day. I'm gonna go fan the flames a little bit, not too much. Don't want to burn our steak. We gotta flip it. As y'all can see, it's coming down pretty good. Just beautiful. Just flipped the steak. This stuff I made for a trip a while back that I didn't take. This stuff is good. Sort of like a vegetarian version of Hoppin' John. It's delicious. Added corn too. Peppers and onions, rice, sauce, black-eyed peas. Oh, it's delicious. Black-eyed peas took a little bit of time to rehydrate on the fire, but still overall pretty damn delicious. As you can see, there's my steak and there's my SC6. There's a pot of food. Oh. Oh. Ton of snow on the tarp. Woo. Steak is delicious though, baby. Damn, that's a good looking backpack. Maxpediton Dry Falcon. Yeah, baby.